Good morning and welcome back to the online lectures for SHR and HRM for SHR and HR policies. We were studying the code of conduct, which includes the following things. So basically, we were studying the HR policies, and these policies are based on ethical principles, honesty, integrity, promise keeping, loyalty, fairness, respect for others, law abiding, commitment to excellence, reputation and morale, leadership, and accountability. Now, let us understand these things in a larger way. So, values are important. See, if you're attending online lectures and we don't value you, we don't know who is joining and who is leaving the meeting. And at the end, when we stop the presentation or when we stop the screen share, we find no one. Now, why this happens? Because we don't value your present. So, if we don't value your present, then will it be good for you? So we were talking about the values. So in that same way, if you are sitting in the class and no one is responding to the teacher, then there is no value. Same goes with HR. The HR makes the policies based on the values of their employees. Now these values are based on honesty, unbiasedness. Unbiased or biased means favorism. Like there are 4 to 5 students and 6 to 7 students are there, and I am focusing on half of the students, or specially focusing on boys, or specially focusing on 1 or 2 students. So that means I am biased. I'm not giving opportunity to everyone. I'm not focusing on everyone. ठीक है. So here somewhere favorism goes. So HR में भी वही scene होता है. If the HR is not valuing few of the employees and giving some importance to other persons, और वो जिनको importance मिल रहा है, they are not working honestly, they are not fulfilling the organization's requirement or goals and objectives, but then to HR is supporting them. So that is an unbiased, that is an biased one. Unbiased is the opposite word of biased. So unbiased means you have to fulfill or you have to value each and everyone in equal manner. Prejudiced is nothing but i- it is like stereotype. The person comes, जैसे हम लोग का रोज होता है, when we join the lecture you get a popped up message कि we will start the lecture in few minutes, we are waiting for the students to join. That is on a repetition mode in every lecture, in every class, every day from last 1 year. सो अनप्रिजुडाइज होना चाहिए. हम लोग स्टीरियोटाइप से काम नहीं करना चाहिए, एंड वर्क एनवायरनमेंट को नए नए तरीके से हम लोग को आजमाना चाहिए. So you may have seen some changes in our lecture also. Sometimes we are very serious, sometimes we are discussing, sometimes we are focusing on something else, sometimes we are discussing with each other. So values are very much important, and these values should be based on the honesty, unbiasedness, unprejudiced. Accountability is also important. Now what is accountability? You are giving presentations to us, right? So once the presentations are done, we have to say something, or else we have to at least say thank you, right? At least we have to note something, or else you are joining in the class and I'm not saying anything. I'm starting the lecture, I'm starting the screen share, I'm winding up the screen share or stopping the screen share, and I'm saying bye. I'm not asking you for understood or not. I'm not asking you do you have any doubts. I'm not asking you anything related to the subject. And then you are like, सर आए, स्क्रीन शेयर किया, टॉपिक पढ़ाया, स्क्रीन शेयर स्टॉप हुआ, मीटिंग खत्म, कुछ पूछा नहीं. दैट मीन्स यू वर नॉट अकाउंटेबल, वी वर नॉट कंसर्न्ड अबाउट यू. आप लोगों के ऊपर ध्यान नहीं था, ऐसा वो एक मैसेज जाता है, राइट? सो अकाउंटेबिलिटी में एचआर की तरफ से क्या होना चाहिए? टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर योर ओन एक्शंस. हम लोग हमारे एक्शंस के बेस पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना चाहिए. ठीक है. नाउ बीइंग अ टीचर आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी हैव नॉट स्टडीड physically from the last 1 year. What we were doing is teacher comes, takes online lecture, note share करते हैं, and then फिर online lectures के बाद हमारे semester end होते हैं, and then online exams होते हैं. हमारे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को हमने ध्यान नहीं दिया एंड वी वर नॉट टेकिंग एनी एक्शंस। अब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है? नॉलेज बढ़ाना, स्किल सेट्स को बढ़ाना, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में प्रैक्टिकली क्या हो रहा है उसके बारे में जानना, अपने आप को रेडी करना इंटरव्यूज के लिए। सेम गोज विद द एचआर। एचआर हैज टू टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर देयर ओन एक्शन। अगर किसी एचआर ने गलत एम्प्लॉय को डांटा है तो दैट एचआर शुड apologize in front of each and everyone. That was my mistake and I'm sorry for my actions. Then ensure appropriate use of information. हमारे इंफॉर्मेशन का इस्तेमाल अच्छे से होना चाहिए, अप्रोप्रिएट तरीके से होना चाहिए, ठीक है। Exercising diligence, duty of care, obligations and avoid conflict of interest. We have to exercise diligence. There is a term due diligence, मतलब you have to work or complete a target in a very diligent manner. You have to do your duty with care. You have to oblige all the rules and responsibilities or the policies you have. और basically conflict of interest हम लोग को avoid करना है. If there are 10 people before HR and उसमें से दो लोग जो है HR के friends है, junior होंगे, but that two juniors are so craziest person that they are not allowing the trainer to take the class, and the report goes to HR. The HR says ki we will take care of these two students, and then the HR takes them out of the class and then they sit in the canteen discussing about their old college days. So here conflict of interest is there. Their HR's interest is on that particular two individual and not in the uh, welfare or not in the favor of the organization. Organization को तकलीफ दे रहे and then you are supporting them. So basically, we have to avoid such conflict of interest. So that's it for today, guys. Actually, we have only 3 minutes to go. So we will continue the other points in our next class. So the code of conduct includes the following standard of practices. We have to maintain an active and personal and professional developmental programs. We have to make mark a benchmark. ठीक है, एक पर्टिकुलर स्टैंडर्ड से हम लोग को काम करना है और वो स्टैंडर्ड को मेंटेन करना है, ठीक है। और मेंटेन करके उसको एक्टिव रखना है पर्सनल लेवल पे एंड प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे। अलग अलग डेवलपमेंटल प्रोग्राम्स को कंडक्ट करना है। हम लोग को एक प्रॉपर एनवायरनमेंट को क्रिएट करना है, उस एनवायरनमेंट को सपोर्ट करना है जब तक हमारे से पॉसिबल होता है तब तक। इससे क्या होगा, हम लोग टीम वर्क को फॉस्टर करेंगे, टीम वर्क को बूस्ट करेंगे, क्वालिटी को एम्फोसाइज करेंगे, हमारे कस्टमर्स या जो हमारे लर्निंग्स है उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करके हम लोग प्रमोट करेंगे हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में। So we have to focus on our employee as well as on our customers जो बाहर से हमें सपोर्ट करते हैं by buying और services और by buying our products, और जिसके लिए हम लोग काम करते हैं they are also our customer जिसको हम client बोलते हैं। We have to maintain our commitment and improve the professionalisms, right? So जितना हम लोग काम करते हैं उससे बेहतर, भले उसको 6 महीना लगने दो, but we have to improve ourselves, right? Then हर एक कंसर्न्स को एड्रेस करो। जैसे कि चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज आता है, वी टेक टॉपिक्स एंड वी डिस्कस ऑन दैट। भले ही 2 मिनट लेट क्यों ना हो या 10 मिनट लेट क्यों ना हो, वी आर कंसर्न्ड अबाउट योर मैसेजेस, राइट। हाँ, गुड मॉर्निंग के लिए रेस्पॉन्स नहीं आता होगा, बट स्टिल व्हेन इट कम्स टू सब्जेक्ट, प्रोजेक्ट, असाइनमेंट्स, you get the responses. That is nothing but concerns. So addressing concerns are nothing but consider the problems, focus, discuss and communicate. Provide for performance and quality management training. We need to provide some quality management and performance management training to our new employees or to the regular employees so that they will improve their skills. Establish specific quality related goals for the engagement. We have to establish specific quality related goals for management, and once the goals are established we may conduct the other things. So last 30 seconds we are stopping here, so we will continue with the code of conduct, disciplinary action and then sorting out problems. Thank you so much guys, it's been a great time. Have a great day. Bye bye.